And we should be live and in effect. Let me see. Let me see if we live. Yes, sir, we are. Yes, sir, we are. So, I'm gonna go ahead and get this thing started. All right. Just gonna start off with the with the. So we got spy. Looks like it's starting to bottom out to to potentially keep hitting to the downside. You know, 4 hour. Yeah, most likely to pull back. But at the same time, we are in this little area where it can just keep pushing. So, bam, that's that. Gold on the up and up. We get a pullback on this, I'm definitely getting in. Definitely getting in. But yeah, I would like to get in on that soon. Get a pullback, something like, let me see. Might not get one. It might not be in the stage of pullback yet. But I would like to see one. I would definitely like to see one. So I'm waiting for a little something. A little something. You know what I mean? Even to pull back just to one of these little red dots. One of these red candlesticks. You know what I'm saying? We'll see. I'm wait on that. That looks viable for this week. Very viable. You know what I mean? VOO, same thing as SPY pretty much. Dollar Tree on the up and up. Could probably put in a green for this whole week. You feel me? Yeah, man. That's what I would do. We on the up and up. When it goes up, it goes up. You know what I'm saying? I would like a bit more of a pullback. So I'm gonna wait a little bit, see if we get more of a pullback into this area. Come back up here. I would definitely love to get in. Definitely would. I think it's gonna continue though this week. But I just need that pullback. So we got gold so far. It was decent. This one's decent. What's this one looking like? Bam. 4 hour. We had bam. Probably going to continue to the upside for a while. If we get a pullback into this area, I would look for buys. But I would have to get a little pullback into somewhere in this area right here. Let me set in the bam. Somewhere there. I'm gonna be looking to get in that thing. Make sure the stream going good. Make sure. Bam. Good channel. Oh yeah, we good. Let me turn my fan off that thing. I ain't know it was all in your ear like that, man. But yeah, All right, JPM, man. Ay, ay, ay. JPM. So yeah, still looking for buy opportunities as of current. If we get a pullback into here, especially pull back somewhere in here, definitely. You know what I mean? I'm gonna need that pullback though. I'm gonna need that pullback. Oh man, this thing going crazy. Deck. Yeah. I would definitely say we're probably gonna continue up. But it could be creating some consolidation right here. Might start rounding out. Possibly to come back up, retest, then head back down. We'll see though. MS. Possibly at the bottom of a little run like this. You know what I mean? Come back down, come back up a little bit, start creating higher lows to then continue the trend to the upside. Potentially, or one of these, but it looks like it needs to pull back. Let me take that off. HD. Home Depot. I would definitely be looking at buys in this area. Would not be looking at sales. So I would say if we get a pullback of somewhere in this area up here, I would get in for buys. Me personally. That's my thought process. IBM looks like we're about to need a retest. And it looks like it's about to do it. I would be looking at sales as of right now. You know what I'm saying? I might I might get in for the sale, bro. This looks grand for the sale, if I gotta be honest. Got a lot of leverage on the market. 4 hour. Yo, you got a lot of leverage on the market. I mean, 308, 38. Nah, not really. We can still come down, but on the daily we do. Let me look at it. Let me see how much it would cost. Let me see how much it would cost. Oh, let me check on O'Reilly too. No. Oh, that boy's getting that money. That boy's getting that money, baby. That's what I'm talking about, man. You feel me? I think I'm gonna stay in this probably maybe all week. It depends. What I do. I did a 96 call. A 96. It's already at 95. 96 would be right here. What do I want to do? Should I stay in it all week? Should I just be good with the little bit I got off of it already? I sell if it gets up to 100. I would like to sell, but as of right now, I'm not selling. Yeah, I'm putting in a close 1.00. Bam, review send. So we'll see if that gets me out anytime today. ORLY. I would like to make. I like to at least make, decent, like 25 off of that. That ain't really gonna be much, but everything adds up though. Everything adds up. We are on a mission, and this mission will be accomplished. Look at this thing go. Hot diggity dang it. Oh yeah, that's what I was doing. I was checking IBM for the sales. IBM. $300, 317. They got one for 100. That's 317. Where's 317? Oh wait, that's for the buys. I'm looking for sales. 300. Where 300 at? I think if this is a true, I think we could get there. I think we could get there. I'm gonna put one in for 100 and see if it gets me in. If it get me in at 100, then we good. Then I'm in now. Where's 300? 300 is right here. So I would have to get right there. I definitely think it could do that. Come on, get me in. Get me in at 100. Come back down a little bit. IBM before heading up. I'm finna have to brush. I ain't brushed my teeth this morning. I'm finna have to go brush them. Come on, IBM. Get me in. Oh man, what is O'Reilly doing? What you doing? What you over here doing, man? Trying to make me, what you doing? You better come down and hit that at least. And then IBM, come down and get me in. I would say, let me see. If we break this, I probably would no longer be interested. 30-minute. Come on. Did it just get me in? Nope. It sure didn't. IBM. Come on. No! You come back down, dang it. Man, I'm finna go brush my teeth in a second. I'm actually finna go look at some other options. I'm gonna be waiting on that one. Hopefully that one get me in. If not, it's good. I ain't tripping. We gonna go look at some other stuff. Cause I'm not finna sit here and wait all day. This looks good for buys. Once we get a little pullback of some sort. You know what I mean? Typically, looks like it don't even pull back that much. But if we get a pullback up into this area, I'm definitely looking for buys. I would definitely look for some buys. Check IBM. This looks great for buys as well. Holy crap, this looks good for buys. Yeah, I would definitely be looking at buys around this area. We start showing some, but it also could potentially be a pullback. But boy. Yeah, boy. That looks good for buys. Come on, IBM, get me in, man. Why y'all playing with me? $113. Yeah, IBM look like it's about to take off, man. Sheesh, come on, bro. Don't do it. Don't do it. I'm not getting in if it don't hit that 100. It is what it is, bro. It ain't pulled back to where I wanted it to. It's all cool. There'll be other opportunities. This one look good. Bam. Well, I said this one look good, right? Yeah. If we get a pullback and then come to the downside, yeah. AZN. I wouldn't be too interested in this one right now. Even though it looks good for buys. AutoZone. Boom, boom. Be good to buy some share. O'Reilly. We just got into that one. Or, still coming down. Well, we didn't just get in. We was already in it. But see what IBM doing. Man, you dirty son of a gun. You dirty son of a gun. I'm finna cancel my membership. No, I'm just playing. I'm just finna cancel this thingy thing. Cancel this order. Alright. IBM, you dirty son of a gun. Actually, I could still get in. For real. 300 is up here. Yeah, I mean, should I do it? At this point, I'm gonna be chasing the trade though. And we're near this area, so I don't wanna. But at the same time, it's finna explode. I think it's finna blow. I think that mother finna blow. Ooh, look at it go. Ooh, boy. Yeah. It's all good. There'll be other opportunities. Don't trip on it. That was a good one though. That was a very good one. You know what I'm saying? That was a very good one. And it's still I think it's still gonna come up to this 300 area, but it's gone now. I done missed my opportunity. I ain't get in. Well, I tried to get in, but it ain't come down to where I wanted the price at. So, but yeah, it's looking good. O'Reilly, still, still early in the week. So hopefully I get my money out of that one. This one looks like it's good for buys. I would like, when we buy, it has little pullbacks. I like to see, I love to see something like this. That would be awesome. But, I'll be waiting on it. LMT, Lowe's. I'll wait for a pullback of up to here of some sort, then start looking for buys again. As of right now, I'm thinking it's doing something like this or like this. Creating some consolidation and then start heading back to the upside again. MU. Bam, 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 bam. I would say, I don't know. This could be either way. It looks like buys, but with this one, it's kind of, we had this. When was this? 2024. That was not that wasn't COVID or anything. That's just regular price action. So it could be doing this stuff. It was in a good uptrend, but then had this, so it could be creating some consolidation. I would be looking for nothing as of now. Oh, wrong thing. Got in. Took a L. But now it's looking like it's at a point where I'll wait till it gets up here for real. But if it gets up there, then yeah, I'm definitely hitting it with buys. Bow. Pin. Let's see what IBM doing. Man, it's about to blow. Look at it. It's about to blow. We still might get a pullback though. Still might get a pullback into this area, and if we do, then it'll probably be. It might be. Ooh, look at O'Reilly. Oh, O'Reilly. Auto parts. Ow. All right. Looks like, higher, lower high, lower low. So I will be waiting for something like this. Something like this potentially. Once we get something like that, or the next time it does something like that, start creating lower high, lower low, getting in. I would say up here is really good. Around the 182, I would say that's prime area to start looking at buys. But that's one I'm looking at. Let me see. I haven't been. Oh yeah, I have. Boom, boom, boom. RTX. Look at the greens on that. I would definitely venture to say this is gonna continue green or for at least a week. You know what I'm saying? At least a couple days, maybe 4 hour, 2 hour. We get a little pullback. I'm definitely hopping into this one. This is gonna be my favorite one of this week. I ain't gonna lie. I'm finna. Let me mark this one with orange. Cause we get a little pullback on this one. I'm definitely hopping in for buys. Definitely hopping in for buys. You know what I'm saying? Amongst the pullbackery. But I gotta get that pullback. But it's looking like it wants to shoot. I hope it don't. It's kind of cold. Let me go put it on that. Hey, what Drake said about IBM, I'm upset. Why they ain't get me in, man? Why they do me like that? Now it's up. Could have been already making money. But it's alright. It's all good. There'll be other opportunities. What I about to do? Man, what the hell is that? Alright. RTX. Definitely be waiting on that. What's O'Reilly doing? Still coming up. Let me check and see if I could have been up on whatchamacallit. Why they trying to thug me, man? They know O'Reilly's supposed to be doing more than that. It's almost at the 90. Well, it probably could sell soon. It probably, yeah. Ooh, look at RTX, my boy. Starbucks. I would be looking for buys if I gotta be honest, bro. I wouldn't be looking. Cause we got this overall looming directional bias for the overall thing, but we are also starting to create this at the bottom right here. But we still, even within that, we still need, you know what I'm saying? It's too much untapped potential within this flag pattern, all in here. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna be looking for buys. Be looking for buys. Hopefully we get a pullback of some sort. You feel me? Probably come up again, do something like this. I'm getting in for buys. Do something like this and I'm getting in for buys. Wait for a pullback, then buy. I would say at least down to 87. They'll probably get to 87 this week. I like that one. I'm gonna keep that one on there. Ooh, look at that boy. I know I said buys too, cause I got this marked up down, going down. Yeah, I know I said buys on this, so that was a good bias. That was a great bias. Buys on that. Now what's next? We got TMUS. Gosh dang. Look at, man. I kept calling it, bro. I called it perfectly. I'm still, we get a pullback though again. I'm waiting for another pullback. Give me a pullback. I'm getting in. Let's look at IBM. I'm gonna put my offer back on the table for IBM, man. I'm gonna put my offer back on the table for IBM. If it come down to $100 for the whatchamacallit, $100 for 300, I'll get in. $100 for the 300 strike price, I will get in. I'm gonna leave that in there. Seeing if it gives me that, I will be one happy camper. But O'Reilly, that's right. Come on, man. Oh yeah, it got me out. I made my money for the day with O'Reilly. Yes, sir. We Gucci. Got me out right there. 12 dash what? 15. Oh wait, I didn't even put got in, did I? Got in. 12-15 2025 10-23 23. Got out. Bam. Got that money. Give me that money. What's IBM doing? Exactly what I thought it would. Keep going up, exploding to the other side. It's all good. It's all pills and gravy. Who said that? I can't remember who said that. It really don't matter because I just said it. Just kidding. It does matter because I only quoted it. I didn't even really say it. You know what I mean? But yeah, IBM going crazy stupid. Somebody's making money. Somebody's making money. Alright, we got UNH. I would be looking for buys if we get a pullback into this area. pull back into this area up here. Somewhere in here. Look, let me draw this right here. Let me clone it. Put the clone right where I needed it. Bam. We get it somewhere in here. We get a pullback somewhere in here. I'll be looking for buys for the week. I definitely would like to do that. Let me put I would definitely be looking at buys for the week. Let's look at this, man. Just doing what I. Why? Why can't you just pull back real quick? Pull back. Like, stop. It's all good. We gonna keep making money, man. We gonna look for more opportunities. Don't never just, man. Well, you think you taking off without me, man? I'm making my money regardless. I don't need you. WMB. Yeah, we got this. Bam, 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 bam. Wouldn't be interested until we get somewhere up in here for buys, potentially, but we're also at the top. If you look at the weekly, I remember this one. We're at the top of this little, you know what I mean? Definitely would be looking for sales overall. So I would actually just wait till we start seeing signs of, act something like this. Because I think we could possibly be at an area like this, or this. One of those areas. This is the guy be just going crazy. O'Reilly still going stupid. Probably should have waited all day for O'Reilly, because I think I should have probably just let it play out all week. I don't know why I be doing that, bro. I be getting out way too early. Like, I think by the end of the week, but you never know. We could stall out, do some stuff like this right here. So it's good to just get your money where you can get it. So we good on that one. Let me go back to the daily. Sheesh, look at this going stupid. This going stupid. I'll probably wait for a pullback up in here, see what this does. If it shows signs that it want to continue to the upside, who am I to try to act like you're not gonna do it? I'ma get in. Alright. So this the higher low, this the lower high, lower low, bam, bam. Having a pullback as of current. And we have to see where that pullback could potentially go. Pullback could come to here. Pullback could come to here. Pullback, it could go here wherever it want to go. You know what I'm saying? So I'll be watching that I'll be watching it. It's not really my favorites. Let me undo. I forgot. Cat was decent, but it's not really one of my standouts. Caught a dub on this last week. Did I? Or did I take a L? I need to start putting dubs in L's. I do it sporadically, but let's just check the times. Got in. Oh no, I got a dub. Yeah, cause I got in. Bam bam. Got out. Got in for a sale. Got out. So I made some money. Yeah. That's a dub last week. Which was, I could have held it. I really could have held it all freaking week. That's why I be saying, bro, I gotta learn how to just hold it. Quit getting out so early, man. Hold it. Hold your horses, like they say. Hold your horse. What did this shop? I'm pretty sure I made money on this too. Got in for the green. Made money. But let me check. Let me check and see if there's more opportunities. I'll wait for a pullback into this area again. Then if it starts showing signs of, you know, something, I'm looking for something like this. You know what I mean? Something like this. That's why I think it's in it. That's where I think it's at in the market right now. Or pullbacks deeper in this area too. You know what I mean? Somewhere in there. It's either going here or here, but you gotta watch it. So you gotta watch it. Now this one is evidently uptrend. We having a pullback as of current. If we get somewhere in this area, I'm definitely looking for buys. We get a pullback of somewhere in this area, I'm definitely looking for buys. Most definitely looking for buys. Lower high, lower low, pullback of somewhere up in here, hopefully. You know what I mean? Let me set an alarm. I'm gonna definitely be getting into that one. We get a pull. I would love to see it get somewhere up in here. You know what I mean? And I'm gonna hit him upside the head. That shop. Let's look at IBM. Ooh, it's coming back down. But it's also forming a double top, which is not good. Because it could. But at the same time, I would like to see it come down, touch right here. You know what I mean, and then bounce up. Let me see if it got me in. Let me see. What's EHTH doing, man? You doing me dirty today? EHTH. What's EHTH doing? Yeah, you pulling back. You having a little pullback. It's all good. I'ma chill. I'ma stick with you for it, though. You know what I mean? Because you my long-term play. I'm trying to get long-term. Even though I didn't even put that much in. Only $300, but shoot. You know what I'm saying? Money is money, man. It adds up. It all adds up. It all adds up to my shoe. You know what I'm saying? My shoe. Hush. What's IBM doing? You done started going, dang it. Come back, man. You quit playing with me. Quit playing with me, Sonny, before I knock you upside your noggin. Alright. Yeah, shop is definitely. I definitely want to get in the buys on this. Like this one, this another one that I'ma mark orange. RTX was marked orange. Shop was marked orange. Let me unmark all these, man. Actually, let me leave a mark so that way cause we're going through them anyway, so I'll know, but yeah. I might withdraw this on IBM because we could still, this could have been lower high, lower low. This could just be, this could just be a continuation of the furtherance of the agenda of upwardness. You know what I mean? Potentially, that's what this could be. Even though I'm looking for the continuation of the furtherance of the agenda of the downside, could definitely be the opposite. Let me see. Let me get my wits about me. No, I don't think. I think it could pull back some more, but I definitely think we're at the bottom, lower high. Remove this lower low. We got the double bottom right here. Double bottom, come back. Double bottom, come back. To then head to the downside, yeah. And hopefully it don't take off without me. Hopefully it gets me in. You know what I mean? We'll see though. We shall see. Oh, I think that was just a marker for where 300 was anyways. Where was it? Right here. I don't know where it was. But delete it. Get it out of there. And hopefully it gets me in today. If not, it's probably just going to keep shooting. $114. All right. So, but that's that. Shop waiting on that one. I think that one's going. Ooh, I think that one looks real good. I really like that one for buys, man. But EHTH, I'm gonna wait on this one. So I'm gonna go to this one and go to the new ones. City. Sheesh, I took a L on the green right there. How did I take a L? I got in at 12:05. Oh, that's because I got in on a Friday. And it did this stuff. Am I right? When did I get in? 12:05. Yep, Friday the 5th. Got in on a Friday at 10:13. 10:13. It was like somewhere in here. And it didn't do nothing. You know what I'm saying? Finished out the week on consolidation. Then, yeah. But I was right with the direction, though, so I ain't tripping. But it's all good. It's going to happen sometimes. Now, we definitely looking for buys here. If I got to be honest, we done surpassed this. Came back up. Bam. Yeah, we come back up in this area. What? Oh, but this that big boy. This that big boy. Yeah, you got to have big boy money. Be playing with BlackRock. Ah, you're doing me dirty. Yeah, you gotta have big boy money to play with BlackRock. So, we're gonna chill on them. You feel me? Came back to this. Bam, bam, bam. Shoot, I'm gonna be looking for a pullback somewhere in here. If I get it, I'm hitting that. To the downside. Because we are officially in murky waters. And we are headed to the downside with this one for right now. IBM, come on, man. Come back and get me in before you go. Please. Please. I'm begging you. Man. Don't take off without me, man. Don't do like I'm finna have to do everybody else, because they ain't believing me. They ain't believing me, coach. I had to do it on my own. But yeah. Yeah. Let me take that one off. I don't, man. Not really, Yeah, this would be going stupid. This one you probably got to look at on like a monthly basis, bro. You would have to get in for the month, depending on where you're at. Right now, green beans. You feel me? Green beans. That's what I'm expecting. So actually, if we get a pullback of up in here, I might, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, boy, I might be in the damn. Get a pullback up in this area, bro. I'm definitely on it. I like this one. Why did I, bam, pull back into this area? I'll definitely be looking for buys once we see some of this action like this or like this. You know what I'm saying? Once we see a furtherance of the continuing of the upward agenda, you know what I mean? Then I could get in. Oh my word, look at it. What? You doing it like that? TJX, I think this might be like my favorite. This like one of my favorites, bro, because it just moves so beautifully. But I'm going to wait for a pullback because we are at the we're at the highest prices ever been. You know what I mean? And don't get me wrong, it be doing this thing, but it's been in this a little too long for me to trust it. You know what I mean? We've been in this since all the way up here, and we ain't had no real pullback since. I don't quantify this as a pull. I can qualify this as consolidation. This ain't no real pullback because we didn't have no it just came up, left, head, right. Like that was too quick. You know what I mean? It just wanted to fool people real quick right here to continue the furtherance of the agenda to the upside. You know what I mean? So I'm gonna be waiting on that. You know what I mean? I'm gonna be waiting on that. But I'm gonna need some kind of pullback, bro. Don't 4 hour. Look at the 4 hour. Bam, 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 bam. This is the last lower high. Bam, bam. Yeah, I'm gonna be waiting. Hey, decent. I wouldn't really watch them too hard right now, but they look good. Made money on this, didn't I? Yep, I did. Got in green, got out. Bow. Now where we at? We had to pull back. Let me see where we at in the whole grand scheme of things. I don't freaking know. We at bam, bam, bam. Had to pull back to this previous. Now it's going to continue, to the green side. You know what I mean? Look at the daily. Lower high. Clone. Lower low. To potentially continue to the upside. I will be waiting for a pullback of some sort. You get a pullback. I'll say probably to here. Get a pullback to somewhere in here. And then hit it with the green bean. Hit it with the green bean, boy. You know what I'm saying? Hit it with the green bean. But you ain't hit it with the green bean. Yeah, I'm hit it with the green bean. So, look at IBM. Come on, man. Look at IBM. Get me in. But I don't know. I'm kind of not liking that formation a little bit. But at the same time, we'll see, bro. We got a good leverage on it. We shall see. That'll be good leverage if it gets me in right there, bro. So we shall see. We shall see. But yeah, O'Reilly. Look, and I had a pull. Might have got out at the perfect time. If we get a pull back in here, I might get back in. You feel me? I might get back in. You heard me? I might get back in. You feel me? You heard me? Did you hear me? I said I might get back in. Look at that. Oh my God. See, I could have held. When did I get in? Wednesday. Could have held all the way to Friday, bro. Could have held all the way to Friday. It's all good, bro. It's all good. It's all good. Cause we gonna do what it do anyways. I'm gonna wait for a pullback on this one. Cause I don't see this as, you know what I mean. I'm gonna wait for a pullback. Look how I did here. Look, came down, pull back right into that area again, bam. So I'll be waiting for a pullback or somewhere, in this area, because to me this is like the most. This is where it start creating this little funnel of downward joy, and then come back to then create another funnel of downward joy potentially. That's what I'm looking at. That's what I see. You know what I'm saying? Having a pullback. So I don't know. Look at Google going crazy to the upside, man. Going crazy to the upside, man. Now, what do I think we could do? I think we are in a downward trend right now. We are going to the downside. So I'm going to have to wait to see when it wants to continue the upward trend. Yeah, I'm going to have to wait. Alright. Meta. Could potentially be bam. Let me see, bam. Let's go to the weekly. Yeah, if I had to guess, I would say we're starting to, have a pullback. But I could be wrong. But I don't think I am. Because, so this could potentially continue to this way. Potentially. 3-day, daily. Potentially. Again, like I said, that one's kind of iffy. It's in no man's land right now. That's why I didn't have it marked. Don't need to be concerned with it. Oh, look at IBM trying to come down and get me in. Keep on coming. Keep on coming. I might just get in at 110. Nah, I'm not. I'm gonna get in where I get the most leverage. I don't care. I'm getting in where I get the most leverage. If I don't come down to 100, then it is what it is. It is what it is. I'm in the game to make money, not to be moving on their terms. I move on my own terms. You heard me? That's how we gonna rock. That's how we gonna rock. Shop starting to come down. V just had a big explosion to the upside. But had a little boom. Yeah, I would say this could potentially definitely keep going up, but also we're at this point right here near previous higher low for this minor structure. So I would definitely say it could also continue going down. You know what I mean? Let's look at the monthly. Yeah, this could be doing anything, bro. I'm not finna be looking at this like that. Sheesh. Well, this just decided which way it would like to go. Once we get a pullback, oh yeah. Oh yeah. I might not need a pullback. I might get in greens for the week, bro. Because this thing be moving. 195, 201. Let me see. Go to weekly. But then again, we near this all-time high. Yeah, I'm gonna wait. I'm not. This ain't my favorite one just because we at near all-time highs. And it likes to bounce. As you can see, it does some bouncery. It does bounce a lot. So, I'm saying came down, did some bouncing. Came coming down again. Probably gonna do some bouncing. Looks like could be in this area, but just coming off this long freaking, so I'm not interested. Look at Clorox going crazy with the Borox. You know what I'm saying? Oh man, they done started going back up again. No, so why they? What the world is going on? How are they still up there? It's like they are not trying to come back down to let. They not trying to let nobody in. They not trying to let nobody in that door. They like, man, y'all can't be making this much money, man. But you can't stop me. You can. But you can't at the same time. Man, this thing having a deep pullback. I can't wait to see it start going green again, cause it got to 231. It's having a deep pullback, bro. I'll definitely be looking for green soon. Yeah, this one. I'll say sales for right now, though. I'll say sales as of current. 4 hour. We get a pullback. Come up. Well, we just had to pull back. Yeah, so I'll wait for it to come up, surpass this, come back down again. Sales. I'm marking that one. And we're almost done with the morning witty poo. Almost done. Come on, man. Don't do me like that, bro. Don't do me like that, bro. Come back down to $100 for the blue plane. I'm gonna get in. Telling you, I'm gonna get in, bro. All right. excuse me. But yeah, we got on the monthly, as you can see, this lower high. You know what I'm saying? This the ultimate lower high. But it don't like as you can see, it don't really like to go. You know what I mean? I guess right here it did. Came up and then came back down. I would actually be looking for this to. Dang, but do you think it's gonna stall out for 16 days, alright? It might. It could just stall out for 16 days up in here. Do something like this. That would be crazy. But yeah, we come up in this area and start creating greens again. Yeah, I'm gonna be looking for buys, my boy. But if we come up past that, then I would be looking for sale. I'll be looking for sales. So now Netflix made money on that, as I recall. Where we at? Oh man, you doing me dirty. Where O'Reilly at? Where Shop at? Shop coming up. Shop coming up. It's about to try to let me get in. It's about to try to let me get in. Telling you, we come up about this area up here, bro. I'm on attack with it. I'm on attack mode, man. I probably need to get in now. Let me wait. Cause we could be creating this left head, right shoulder, bam, to go to the upside. Let me see. It depends. If it do, cause look, left head, right shoulder, bam, left head. This could be a fake out. Come up here, take out all these people that had stop losses right here. Hit this point right here. They got these multiple touches. Then head to or it could come all the way up here. You know what I'm saying? It can come all the way up here. Yeah. We'll see, bro. We shall see. Oh yeah, come back, get me in, please. Who is this calling them scam people? Hello? Got him. Get up out of here, man. Up. It's coming down. It's coming down. It's coming down. Ooh, if they get me in at 100, bro, I'm gonna be, I don't know what I'm gonna be. We'll see, cause I really don't like this double top right here. But at the same time, it's coming down, man. Come on. Come get me in, man. Come get me in. I'm just an old fella looking to make some money, man. Alright. What is this? I know I am not way back here. I'm about to say. That's IBM. This next one gonna tell it. This next one gonna tell it. But yeah, we got Netflix. Let me see what I think they gonna do. Well, they're definitely in a downtrend as a current. So I will be looking for a pullback and a furtherance of the agenda to the upside. You feel me? Pull back, furtherance of the agenda. That's what I'm looking for, man. Sheesh. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Just today it went from 95, 94. Oh, that ain't much. That ain't nothing. But yeah, I kinda like this one. I'm gonna put it purple though, cause it's not my favorite. We almost done. Ooh, did y'all see how beautiful that look coming on the screen? Boy, went from 200. This is 200 to 212 from Wednesday to Thursday, bro. Look at that, man. That is ridiculous. Man. Oh. Yep, didn't get me in. Didn't get me in. I could still get in at one. I don't want to get in at 113, bro. I don't want to get in at one. I want to get in at 100. Dude, they look super good. I'm gonna be watching them for buys. 2 hour. Get a pullback again on the 2 hour. I might look for some buy opportunities. But then again, we kind of far into this little, you know what I mean? But at the same time, boy, sheesh, I see it likes to go. So, yeah, actually, I'm gonna mark them orange. Matter of fact, I'm gonna mark them red. I like the way they look. They look good. They look good. Now GSX, they looking like a buy opportunity, but also a sell opportunity. Had a little pullback. This one is kind of hard. It's kind of hard to. But yeah, that's big boy time again anyway. So right now, I ain't too interested in it right now. It's big boy time. It's big boy timing. Sheesh, they been on a downward little trajectory. Ooh, that was the perfect. I would say now is perfect time for sales. I would say now is the perfect time for sales. I might get into sales, bro. Cause we got so much leverage on the market, 69 all the way to 70. I think I'm gonna get in for sales right now on Nike. We got leverage on the market. What's this up here? 60. Yeah, I'm about to get in for sales, bro. December 19th. Puts. $63. Let's see if I get in. Yeah, I definitely would like to sell those. See if it gets me in. So I'm waiting on IBM. I'm waiting on Nike. One of them gonna get me in. Nike. I know this one probably about to get me in. Nike. Come on, man. Give it to me. Give it to me. Shit's 3 is up here, so it had to get up there. I think it could do that. But we got, you know what I'm saying, all the way to here. Yeah, I like the odds. I like the odds. Hopefully this get me in. Let's look at IBM. What we doing over here? $115. Yeah, I doubt this one gonna get me in because I don't think it's gonna come back to where I want it to be. But shop look like it's coming back, having a, you know. Come on, Nike. Come on, Nike. Uh-oh. Is it about to do it? Get me in there. Get me in there. Come on, Nike. Come on, Nike. Look at shop. Come on, Nike. Oh, my wrist. Come on, Nike. Uh-oh, I think it's about to, here it go. I think it's about to get me in soon. It better. The spread is $2. $2. Two numbers is 1 and 2. And it's at 100 and 102. And I put in to get in at 100, so it better get me in, bro. Somebody's selling at 100. And I better be the one buying. Somebody is selling at 100, bro. Get me in. Got me in. There we go. Yes, sir. Nike. And put in. Hopefully, man. I'm, looking at it from the right perspective. Hopefully, it's not doing something like this, or like this, or like this. Thinking we're at the bottom. You know what I mean? Because of the 4 hour, we got leverage. A lot of leverage, but at the same time, you never know. We'll see. We shall see. But yeah, got in. Green. That's how you hold out, bruh. They ain't want to get me in. They were like, look, and then somebody said, fuck. I'll sell at 100. Dang it. They probably took a hit. Or they probably made money. It might have been the opposite. It might have been like, I got in at $25. Let me sell at 100. I hope they made money. But I hope I don't lose money. We come below here, I might not be. I don't think I'm gonna be interested anymore. I'm gonna be honest. We shall see, though. We shall see. So I got into that one. Now I could turn that one to green. Pepsi. Okay, well, I would definitely be looking at buys for, as of right now, at this. So as of right now, I'll be looking at buys. Come back up to here, bam. And that looks definitely like sales. Near this point, bam. I would definitely say that looks like sales. So, yeah, sales for I might get in on Adobe. We come back down to here, bro. Come back down and retest this area somewhere in here. Do something like this. Come back up, come back down. I would definitely like to get in at that point. But yeah, we in Nike. So I'm going to just be watching them. I'm in Nike, IBM. I'm about to cancel my thing on them. And then I'm really waiting on Shop. Yeah, I'm about to cancel my thing on IBM. Cancel my work order. Cancel it for them, cause they ain't trying to do nothing. They ain't trying to come back down for you, boy. IBM. $300, $116. Yeah, they ain't trying to come back down for you, boy. Shop pulling back. I'm probably about to get in a minute. If we cross this threshold, I would definitely like to get in. Uh-oh, look at Nike. Look at Nike Wiker. Alright, let me stop. Before I do some off the wall stuff. Just hit one of these or something. I hope not, bro. I hope not. but we still could come down all the way up until here, really, for the 4 hour. This could be like a little blip, but I'm gonna watch it. Uh-oh. Yep. What was the other one I was interested in for real? Oh, Johnson. Johnson and Johnson. Johnson and Johnson. Clorox to the downside. Wait for a little pullback. Hopefully. And then continue to the downside. Bam. This one I was looking at too, right? Or no? Nah, I don't think I will. Google. What I say about this one? I probably said I don't even know. Oh, shoot! I'm gonna wait. See if there's any potential for green sideness sometime this week. And then this one, I said what? Pull back into here to head down. Yeah, that's what I said. Yeah, it's for sure what I said. He'll pull back somewhere up in here. Or create this right shoulder. But yeah. So right now I'm looking at Nike. Oh snap, the weekly do look like it's came and hit this. Might do something like this. Come back down to this area. Potentially come back down to this area. Sheesh. We'll see though. We'll see that. We got one red right here. Hopefully we'll see by the end of the day. By the end of the day it should tell me what's up. For sure. But yeah, that was the whole market. Went through everything. I'm gonna go ahead and get off now.